Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. I have a catastrophic failure on farm truck. I don't know how I'm going to fix this. I put the turn signal in. Everything worked fine. Great! Piece of cake. Put the steering wheel on. Nothing. Started wiggling things around and all of a sudden smoke started rolling. I got meltage. I ended up having to disassemble everything. I thought it was just the wire going up to the switch. I replaced that wire. But I'm going to show you what happened. And I'm heartbroken because right now my truck is stuck in the yard. I can't move it. Runs great. It runs great and moves. Now it's totally melted wires of electrical. So let me show you what I got. You can see where this melted. Luckily it didn't go all the way up to the switch. What it is, there's a piece of metal in here. This piece right in here. I don't know why it was the way it was, but when he turned to stick this thing in here, it cut through the wire for the brake light. That's what the funny part is, you know. And then you got this little, where is it? This stupid ass thing snaps up here to hide the wires. Well, somehow it cut into the wire, and I was popping fuses left and right. I never had a fuse problem. So I pulled out the other end. Oh, and I had to replace. Luckily, I had the old switch, and I replaced the wire. It's this one right here, if you can see it. Hard to see with the sun. But yeah, this wire here, I just put another connector in, no problem. Well, it goes beyond that. I mean, it goes well beyond that. It goes all the way into the main harness. And then it gets worse. Remember that new switch I put in down here? It melted the wire going to it. I don't know if you can see it. I honestly, I don't know. And it's melted wires. Luckily, it stopped here at this connector. I'm going to have to, I don't know how I'm going to fix that. I'm going to have to pull this thing out. And I'm not looking forward to that either. Like I say, I'm not going to be able to do anything to my truck for a long time. It's funny, I just renewed the tag and now I still can't drive it. Now, all the turn signals, the four ways, I finally got them all to work. But, guys, I'm heartbroken. I'm going to have to rewire this whole thing. Luckily, these are okay. There's no burnt wires on the outside of the truck. And I finally got to where my fuses actually hold voltage. But right now, I'm just going to take a break from this mess. Only thing I might do is I'm going to have to pull my fuse box out. I think there's only 2 screws that holds it. But anyways, guys, broken. Maybe I should have sold this truck when I had the chance. This is going to take time. And I got other things to do. And now, I can't even do it. I can't do it. I mean, you tell me in the comments, you know, what would you do? Personally, I'd just sell it. But you know what? When it's like this, you're not going to get nothing for it. So the only thing I can do, I'm going to have to get some wires, and a little at a time. So, you know, my truck's sitting out in the yard under a tree. I can't do nothing. It's just stuck here until I can get new wires run from the fuse box to each of the connectors one at a time. I'll check them, make sure everything works like it should. And then I can put this holy mess back together. So I'll talk to you next time here in Lynn's Homestead. I hope you're having a better day than me. Bye.